Hi guys, welcome to this ISO builder. So the sound is a little bit, different. The thing is, the release of ArcoLinux on March 2021, right? So the 0311 basically. VMware is what it is, right? It's a sandbox where you can put in operating systems. And we've never changed anything to our scripts or packages or anything like it. And suddenly it won't boot up inside VMware, right? So there's a script that we now have got rid of, and it does check, hey, where am I? Am I on VirtualBox? Then I launch this. Am I on VMware? Then I launch that. And it's that particular part that, halts or something, and we don't know what's going on basically. Thing is, I've changed the script so there is no VMware support, which means it will boot up, strangely enough. So that's what we're gonna show you. Now, VMware is not our default VMware workstation because, hey, it's paid, right? Thanks to my university, I do have a free version of it, and we are now working with, let's see, version 16.1 and so on, but it's paid. I don't use it. I use VirtualBox by default, and every day, maybe twice and so on, right, per day, I'll boot it up and test something out and stuff like that. So we recommend VirtualBox, but let's have a look. I just built a new ISO. So can you, right? ArcoLinuxB.com and have a look. How do we build ISOs? So the last one I've built, it's 913, so 906. That's the new ISO, and all I did was get rid of 6 lines of code that is going to evaluate where am I? Am I on VMware or wherever, right? And that's for some reason. It used to work, and now it doesn't work, and that's computers. I always give it around 30. Memory is a little bit low. I have 16 gigabyte, so half the guy. Processors is wrong. Number of processors 1. Number of cores is 8, so I'm gonna give 4. Okay, close. Looks better. Now in this case, in VirtualBox, we have something for the graphical display. And we have to put there SVGA box or what is it, but never VM. So let's go and have these settings and see what happens. Now, if we boot up, so this is all normal. That's still the same. Now I have to get out of here. Here it is. I need to go to this button. So it's full screen, and VMware can have a look at my real estate here, my screen resolution of 1920 and 1080. And it doesn't show that, right? And that's frustrating about VMware. It just doesn't work out of the box unless you guys tell me how to do that. But it used to work fine, the script was working fine, and now we get this awesome, beautiful, small little screen, all right? So the only thing we can do is go to some kind of display. So 800 by 600 is the default. And there we go. You need to set something and it's not there. The one I want, of course, is not there, which leaves me doing something else, like in the middle, more or less, right? Keep this configuration close. And I do have something. So that's the solution for now. Build your own ISO, guys. Build your own ISO. You'll see you can boot up in VMware. The question is, can you type 40 or 30? Because basically, that's all you need to do. Ooh, I'm still in ArcoLinuxB.com. Oh, yeah. Okay, go for it. All the B stands for is you build a script. You've got ArcoLinux, you've got ArcoLinux installed somewhere. All you need to do is build the ISO yourself. That's basically what I did just now. So if you build it today, build your own ArcoLinux or the D or the B or the Plasmas, and you just need to git clone this, follow the video, how to build, change whatever you want to change, run script number 30 or 40, and that's it. That's basically it. That's the only thing you have to do, and the output is an ISO that will work on VMware because of the changes of the package I just made minutes ago. All right, guys, this is especially for the VMware guys who really want to have VMware and want to put in ArcoLinux. Build your own ISO right now. That's the power of ArcoLinux. You're in control. You can build it. You can have the latest ISO, which is basically, if you want to see, right? Doesn't matter. It's just a number. It will have 21.05.1. Just